Hi everyone, welcome back with another unboxing and reviewing of a product. Let's get in. Let me tell you what this product is. So this is the box and I've already opened it. So this is a double clamp mount which I ordered for my obviously the camera setup, but um, let's see how this product is. Right, so these are in the covers, so let me just take it out from the covers. Okay, that is very heavy. It's a good metal, heavy metal for sure. And okay, so it doesn't go with my liking. What is this? Oh, this is just the foam tape. It's not even rubber. This is just the foam tape. And look at the finish quality for yourself. Okay. Okay. And even the screw. So you buy this separately, and then you screw this into the clamp like that, and then and then that's how this goes to your bike. You probably like fix it somewhere to your bike or anywhere you want to, and here goes your another clamp, or you can change this with any other ball. Whoa, okay, whoa, okay. Okay, I've never seen a product like this. Oh no, is there a screw? Oh, okay, I've never seen a product like this. Alright, so this can be changed with any other thing, like you can have a GoPro mount, you can have another clamp like this installed. You have multiple options, so that's really good part about it. But other things are left for your imagination and your decision on what you want to do with this. So before you could decide anything, let me tell you the cost of it. It is around 900 change. I think it's 951 or something, so close to 1000 rupees. So think about it and decide wisely if you would want to have this kind of mount, or you would want to go for the next option, which is a little bit expensive. Around 2500 is the next price, and then goes on. The price is still like 7-8,000 for the double clamp mounts, especially the double clamp mounts, if you want these on the both side. Okay, but if you want a single clamp, then there are many other options you can go with, or if you like this, you can go ahead with this as well. This is a very small, heavy clamp, so see for yourself. Alright, so that's a small review on this clamp. Right, peace out.